So I'm going to show you really quickly how you can create a page in your Canvas course and set that to be your home page. It's probably the most flexible option to allow you to put just about anything you want in your Canvas course. So I'm going to start off in my Canvas course that I have here. And in this course, when I open it up for the first time, it's going to ask me to create a new module. That is not what I want. What I want to do is I want to actually create a page first. Modules are kind of like folders or units. Pages can be pretty much anything I want. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side where it says Pages, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Pages. And you'll tell that I do not have any pages created yet. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus page button to create a new page, and I'm just going to call this page Home. And I could put some content here if I want to. Right now it just is a placeholder, but I don't have to. And then down here at the bottom, there's an option that says Save and Publish, which is what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Publish. And this is my home page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these three dots. I'm on this home page that I created. And I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to say use this as the front page of my website. So that means of all the pages that I made, I want this one to be the one that's in the front. So we're almost there. I have one more setting that I need to change. If I click Home up here on the left-hand corner, it still takes me back to this module page. So in order to make the home page of my entire course, that new page that I created called Home, then I simply go over here to the right-hand side and I choose Home Page. And then when I click on that, it now says, hey, what pages do you want to be the home page? I can make it my assignment list, my syllabus, but I now see Pages front page, which in this case I called it Home. So that's what I want. I'm going to click on that and then click Save. And then now, anytime I open up my course, this right here is going to be my home page. So no matter where I'm at doing whatever it is that I'm doing, anytime I go back home or anytime my students view my page, they're going to start right here. And then from this point, I can simply hit edit and I can change all of the content and add anything else I want. I can insert buttons, I can insert links, I could type in paragraphs worth of text, welcome to my course, all that kind of information I want, I can type right here on this page.